really close to Shoguna's. It's basically like if it's in Shoguna's. If you know where Chuck E. Cheese is, you're going to find this place. It's called Wrap Works Deli. They have an assortment of burritos, wraps, rice bowls, and some signature drinks. This is a pina colada and this tastes so good. It's very creamy, just like I like it, and it's virgin, so no alcohol. So let me share with you guys what they have, and I hope you guys pay them a visit and leave me some comments down below. One peach. So this is peach. This is pina colada. Okay, so this is mine. So I'm gonna taste this right now.
You would enjoy it.
I'm excited. Pina colada. Oh, it's really good. Yeah, non-alcoholic. Very tasty. Very creamy. Rich and delicious.